Good afternoon, everyone.
Afternoon,
Okay, so for this meeting, the agenda is monthly safety statistics, review of previous meeting, unsafe act and unsafe conditions, environmental issues, information and implementation, and next one is the accident case study. So first of all, we are going to see the statistic for the month of January 2021. Safe man hours for the month of January 2021 we have achieved 136,800. Total safe man hours from January 17 to January 21 we have achieved 2.2 million. And near miss case for the month of January was 1. Dangerous occurrence for the month of January was 1. First aid case 0. Medical treatment case for the month of January 0. Accident for the month of January 0. Safety induction in January we have conducted 6 sessions and the participants were 20 including KPT and LMAC. Safety awareness training 7 sessions and participant 162. Height pass has been issued total 23rd numbers in the month of January. So the next one is the review of previous meeting. Okay, so review of the previous meeting. Toolbox talk should be regularly conducted before commencement of the work and explain the work related hazards and control measures. In the Krishna team, it has been reported that they are not conducting since last week. Mr. Tony.
we had an issue with the safety officer. I think we've been able to get a new steward then. Yeah, we've been able to get a new steward in his area. So I think from Monday they'll be able to continue the toolbox meeting.
Have you looked at the new safety steward for that site?
I will meet him tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll be going to Naivasha.
Okay.
So I'll sit with him and at least just assess how he is and whether he's expected, whether he actually knows what was expected of him.
Okay.
Yes.
So please arrange one steward for the Krishna team.
Okay, no problem.
It will close on the Monday.
Yes, I will meet him on Monday.
Okay, the next point was unsafe act and unsafe condition. Safety lock of the single ship fully observed in broken condition. So it has repaired. The next one was wire rope ceiling observed in the wear and tear condition, which is being used for the pulling as a marking lift in manual team. That was replaced, I remember.
That was replaced.
The next point was Wangwani Yusuf was moving on the tower cross arm without anchoring his full body harness, which associate high risk at the location number AP 18 by 8.
That is one year team. I think that issue was addressed in another toolbox meeting. And I don't think we've had any repeat incidents like this.
No, but still the same unsafe practices is being done by the other teams. Some technicians they are moving on the height without anchoring his full body harness or safety belt. We need to address because we don't know any accident or any mishap ever informed to the any person.
Okay, then I think let's put an emphasis on the toolbox meeting about that.
The next point was the fall arrestor system is being not implemented during the stringing. So still we have the same issues in the month of February and January. This point has not been closed. They are not maintaining continuously.
Body harness,
Not body harness, the fall arrestor system.
fall arrestor.
Climbing up and down safely.
Okay, let me put emphasis on this also.
Please write down the points. It is for the all teams.
Yes.
The next one was damaged PP rope is being used for the insulator hosting. Observed at location AP 18 by 8. It was observed in Banyan team. But say one accident happened at manual game. the broken of the PP rope.
Okay.
Okay, so any unsafe observations which we find at the site, it has the potential to cause accident, and that was resulted in manual team. So at least we need to focus on our tools also. If the PP rope has gone out,
Okay.
we need to replace on the timely. Yeah? There was a damage of 3 insulators and the headman and other things also.
Okay.
So a small thing can cause cost a lot. The next point was no signages and workmen found at road while pilot pulling. During pulling of the pilot, a workman and signages must be placed at the road crossing.
I think we are able to get extra. I mean, we could get some from your team also. And you're able to put them in frames and then distribute to the team.
But that's why if there is a HSE steward, at least he can implement what is the requirement while road crossing, what is the requirement for checking the span before pulling and lifting of any materials. Okay.
Okay. Yes.
The next point was earthing of the tower has not attached properly. Tower earthing must be fixed before pulling of the conductor. Tower earthing.
Okay.
This issue is still at several locations. Even I have evidented that they have done the welding and the earthing is still out of the tower. And you said that
I know.
you committed that during welding of the tower will fix the earthing. But they have done the
Yes,
welding. Sorry.
I have observed in area 3 Kidong, from around the Kidong area. We have in some locations that are having some quality earnings. So we've done the requisition for the materials. I think we should be able to address that either between tomorrow and Monday, and just make sure that those things are well arrested.
Okay, but still the same issue is at the several locations. The earthing of the tower.
Okay, because I have two teams working on that. So whatever is brought to my desk and there is faulty earthing, or they need extra material just to make sure that the earthing is uptight and functional. Then I think that one taken care of.
Even we have our site engineer, Mr. One person, he is saying at his side also there is a major issue of the earthing.
Okay, I think I would appreciate if he just notices something that maybe my team missed or something. I think it is best we all work towards achieving productive earthing.
No, no, Tony, this is the problem. Is unattempted. Enter the line. You have to deploy your specific team for rectify those earthing issues. Because on Alesso's end, there is almost all towers having a same problem. Okay, and because of that situation, that all wires and that fittings are settled, so they need some JCB or chain pulley. Without those, they can't fix it.
Okay.
It's better to plan with your excavator or JCB team landscaping,
Yes.
the soil, leftover material, and earthing issues. Because
Okay, let's side I have Chandan.
yeah,
Let me get hold of Chandan and just get the true picture of the story of what's happening on the ground.
because
Yes.
due to that urgencies and for the performance of our progress, we are
Yes.
already ignored that issues, and we will also with you that it will be done in later during panel checking. But already we have finished, so there is no time.
Okay, so
Let me put it as urgent.
please ensure and whom you are giving the responsibility, please cross check because we have seen that the welding has been done and the earthing is still out of the tower. The next point was technician found without safety belt at approx 5 meter height during restoring of the conductor. Working at height without safety belt is major violation. So this is the problem of site supervisor because to speed up the work they don't focus about the safety. The cost of calling a person is higher than to wearing a safety belt. Wearing a safety belt will take 5 to 10 minutes.
You're right. Noted observation should be included in the toolbox meeting.
Visit at the site, make sure that to give them some instruction regarding the safety to implement it properly.
Okay.
The next point was safety helmet found in the damaged condition which are being used by the worker at site.
Yeah, I think that assists me and address, I think, complaint did not have any such incident. So hopefully our team volunteered.
But still there is some issue of the PPEs. Now the next point was waste concrete material found at location number AP550 and AP7. So still I think it has not been cleared yet.
AP550 was clear, was collected, and it has been delivered. Seven were waiting, and that them are still very much needed to take the class here at least, and I think by now all that has been collected from there.
But recently we have point from the 13Y and the 4B by 1 some location I'll tell you. Still there is a concrete material. So that's why I am considering AP5 is near location of AP4.
Yes.
So still I think the AP5 has not been cleared yet because at the location number AP4 there is a concrete waste material. Please write down AP550 and then I will tell you which location. Next one.
AP4 and AP550.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Let me just I have Tito Manager, so let me just send someone.
Okay. So please we are going to now discuss about the current observations.
Okay.
So the first observation is the same. Earthing of the tower has not been grounded properly. Full length of the earth wire is on the ground at location number AP2X1A by 5. The whole earth wire is above the ground. It is outside of the pit.
AP2XA by 5.
AP2X1A by 5.
Okay.
Even some person or villagers they can open that one and they will take the earthing wire for towing of the vehicle. The outside of the pit. Please write down the location number and make arrangement to fix it properly.
Okay, I've already done that.
The next location is AP6 also for the earthing.
AP6.
Okay, the next point is the brake system of tractor station number KTC B301 KTC B301. The braking system is not working. The brake of the tractor.
Sonalika.
Sonalika, yeah.
Has been fixed.
Fixed.
That's already fixed. That's the action business.
Last week I visited. The driver has complained the same. It is not working properly.
I said it left the auction yesterday.
Okay, yesterday.
Yes, that's the action business.
Okay, so it has completed yesterday. So let me check tomorrow. Okay, the next point is first aid box observed unequipped. So for that, I request you to buy personally and provide them because I think the manual will not get time to buy. It's better. Please take initiative to buy it and provide at the site. The next observation is from the Krishna team. It was observed that the workman is standing on the top of the drum lifting jack, while the machine is running at AP13X. Please don't allow because anytime due to the jerk, so what will happen due to the jerk, the whole drum will go out. So at least provide the alternative option to fix it by the J type of the hook in the ground. Please find out the solution, the alternative. We can prepare the J type hook and then we can fix it with the ground because already we have the serious incident. So it's better to take the safe work procedures. Okay, so the next observation is not guarding the wire rope for the sharp edges of the tower at location number 13X. So this is very easy to wrap any gunny bag to prevent the damage of our wire rope ceiling and also we can prevent the damage of galvanized coating. So please Tony, when you visit at the site, make them aware that because there is two things. One, the ceiling will get damaged. Another one is the galvanized paint will get damaged. Okay, please note that point and in every stringing team, make them aware to use. We have several gunny bags and the other bags which we can fix on the tower members where we need to tie the wire rope ceiling. The next one is PP is issue observed at the location AP3N. It is Krishna.
Krishna 3 and okay.
Okay, the same point which we have discussed. Pole arrestor rope has not been placed on the tower. I told you last time also the same point was they are not implementing the safety.
This is also this AP3 and same place and same location.
Yeah, so that's why please ensure to provide the safety stewards and he will ensure to implement the requirement. Okay, so I am putting this point tomorrow it will close because
Yes.
this is day by day activity and we need to implement. The next point is the first aid. It is also unequipped.
Same thing purchase tomorrow.
Yeah, so please purchase 2 and 3 sets and distribute at the whole site. Tomorrow you have to visit for the salary, so I request you to buy the materials and distribute it at every site where is the lack of first aid materials. The next point is related to the PPEs. Lack of PPEs at observed in the 5th stringing team near to the drum, and without a steel toe working near to the drum, it is too danger because anytime they are shifting up the drum, it might roll over the leg. So please ensure whoever is working near the drum provide the steel toe gumboot and either a steel toe safety shoe.
Okay. Alright then.
It is in the it is in the Gurmeet Singh team. Yeah, 5th stringing team. The next point is traveling by the tractor in hanging position is totally unsafe. You see how the workman is traveling by the tractor. So anytime by the vibration or jerk, he might lose his grip and directly he will come down to the tire. So traveling by tractor is prohibited. So please communicate at the site to avoid these unsafe practices. Please take immediate action on that. The next point is the environmental issue. The waste plastic material and the used oil found at location number AP15B by 0. The major issue is whenever they are doing servicing, they throw out the used oil at the ground. Okay, so please ensure the waste oil must be collected properly. It should not throw out on the ground. Now the next point is the waste concrete material found at location AP4B by 0. You said that we have removed, but the AP4 and 5 is just near and still it is there, and it is the large quantity you can even see. Please visit and try to remove this waste material from the site. You see the concrete material such as aggregate and the sand found at location AP12Y by 3, and you see the quantity of the concrete you can see. You said that we have removed, but still it is there. So please be serious because before handing over the project again you have to send the excavator and some material to remove. It's better we are working in that area. Please arrange to remove. Yeah, please note down, and if there is excavator, tell them to remove the materials. So the next point is the incident and near misses. So as we are aware that Wasley was holding the OPG pilot wire between AP9 and 10 road crossing with other 4 workers on 5th January 2021. Communication was passed to release the pilot wire. Other 4 workers left the pilot wire and Mr. Vasily was still holding the pilot wire. And within the fraction of minute he was pulled up to the bottom conductor height. The site supervisor advised him to not leave the pilot and slowly shift on the bottom conductor which was near the pilot wire. After he was rescued with the help of rope from the bottom conductor. Fortunately there was no any harm. So at least we need to insist to implement the safe work practices to save the workmen. And I think everyone is very well aware what is the cost of accident if it is minor also. So what will happen if there is a major accident? We need to focus. The next incident was while shifting of the tensioner machine from 19Y section to 34D section. Tensioner machine was being shifted by the tractor. On the way of shifting, pulling hook of the tractor broken suddenly due to the burnout. The additional wire of sealing was attached with the tractor to the tensioner machine as a safety purpose. Due to the safety sealing, nothing happened. And the worn out of the hook point, it has been shown by the site engineer several times to repair. But you see, the site representative is not serious. Ultimately, if there was no the extra safety sealing, the tensioner might have gone to outside of the road. So at at least the point which is being raised by us and the site engineer or whoever, either it is from the LMAC, whatever is the unsafe practices, unsafe acts, or unsafe condition is being observed, you must have to take appropriate action. Okay, the positive visible changes. Any other observation from my side, team? Okay, so positive visible changes such as the project manager site visit and safety interaction. Okay. So what I request Mr. Tony, whenever you are visiting at the site, arrange the meeting with the workers also, because that will boost their morale. In the safety, if you hammer every day, the worker or the person who is at the site, they will remember what to do. Implementation of the voltage detector. Whenever we are doing the shutdown, we need to cross check with the detector, because several incidents in the other projects happen after shutdown. Without checking, they went to the open the conductor or something, they got the electrocution. So it's better to ensure prior to do any work. At the road crossing, we need to provide the flagman danger signpost. Sometimes it has been observed that wherever is the road crossing, they fail to implement such type of the safety precautions. The safety is not for the show. The safety is to save the life of someone. Okay, the next one is the labor report for the month of February 2020. From your end, it need to be submitted on 2nd of the March for every month on the 2nd, because we have to send the report on the 4th of every month. We are getting delay since 2 and 3 months. I have to take follow up every time. Yeah. So please make it on the time. So the next monthly meeting will schedule in the second week of the March. This is the tentative. So now I'll request from our side team.
Discussed about that issues, Tony. Regarding the
Yes,
flamingo, they are very much concerned about the feet traveling with the backside of any cargo vehicle, just like a truck, tractor, like this. They didn't allow anybody to travel like that situation. Okay, and we are also getting a several calls from the administration from flamingo. But anyhow, we are come out from that section.
yes.
We take care. And next, where we are working at that Royal Home and Marigati farm. There are also some white guys is there. They are very much strict.
Keep a concern for the transportation and speed of the vehicle in that area. Any other point?
No, Tony. Another one point. I think there is some mistake or ignorance from our side also. 2-3 cases that stinging teams they didn't notice proper or didn't take the proper measurement. As a result, that conductor staying out touched the ground. Even that 36 by 2 and 3. At least you can deport the watchman where that conductor are very lowered condition or it is almost touch the ground. Okay, that the local villagers they may come and then they cut it. You just depute that your team to do it very fast. Otherwise, the similar things will happen. Keep the protector.
Please, you have noted the point and please make sure to rectify. That's why we insist for the safety, because you see the whole excavator is the metal part and operator is at the risk. Nothing happen, it doesn't mean it doesn't have the severity to kill the person. It has. So at least operator who is operating the excavator near the live line, they must have to ensure what is the site condition and what is around him. Okay, so thanking you everyone.
Thank you very much.
This was the observation, and we hope that you will take the initiative to rectify this thing.
Let me